Welcome to the incredible story of our solar system, a vast, mysterious neighborhood filled with wonders beyond imagination. Today, we'll journey through space, exploring the planets, moons, and the forces that keep everything in motion. Are you ready? Let's dive in. At the heart of our solar system is the Sun, a massive glowing ball of gas, providing light and warmth to everything around it. It's a giant nuclear reactor, converting hydrogen into helium in its core. This process releases an enormous amount of energy, and that's what powers life on Earth. But did you know the Sun is so powerful it controls the orbits of all the planets, comets, and asteroids? Its gravity acts like an invisible hand, holding everything in place. Without the Sun, nothing would stay together. Beyond light and heat, the Sun also sends out something called the solar wind, a stream of charged particles that travels across the solar system. This wind shapes the space around us, forming a bubble called the heliosphere, which protects us from harmful cosmic radiation. Now, let's visit the inner planets. First up, Mercury. This tiny scorched world is the closest to the Sun. Daytime temperatures soar above 800 degrees Celsius, but nights are freezing cold because Mercury has almost no atmosphere. Next, we have Venus, often called Earth's twin, only because they're similar in size. But on Venus, you wouldn't survive long. Its thick atmosphere traps heat, making it the hottest planet in the solar system. Of course, there's Earth, our beautiful home. Perfectly positioned in the Goldilocks zone, Earth is the only known planet with liquid water and life. Last in the inner lineup is Mars, the red planet. Mars is a cold desert world with evidence of ancient rivers and lakes, and scientists are eager to know, did life ever exist there? Now, we travel beyond the asteroid belt to the giant planets. First, the king of them all, Jupiter. This massive gas giant is so big that over 1/300 Earths could fit inside it. Its swirling clouds and giant storm, known as the Great Red Spot, have been raging for centuries. Next is Saturn, famous for its stunning rings made of ice and rock. Saturn's rings may look solid from a distance, but they're actually made up of countless particles, some as small as dust, others as large as mountains. After Saturn, we reach Uranus. This ice giant is unique because it spins on its side. Scientists believe a massive collision tilted Uranus billions of years ago. Finally, we visit Neptune, the windiest planet in the solar system. Its blue color comes from methane in its atmosphere, and its winds reach speeds of 1,200 miles per hour, stronger than any storm on Earth. Beyond Neptune lies a mysterious region called the Kuiper Belt. It's home to icy worlds, including Pluto, once considered the 9th planet, but now classified as a dwarf planet. And even farther out, there's the Oort cloud, a distant sphere of icy objects, where long-period comets like Halley's Comet come from. How did all of this come to be? Around 4.6 billion years ago, the solar system began as a cloud of gas and dust. Gravity pulled it together, forming a spinning disk. At its center, the Sun ignited, while the leftover gas and dust clumped together to form planets, moons, and asteroids. So, what's next for the solar system? Over billions of years, the Sun will grow and change, eventually becoming a red giant. But for now, it continues to shine, keeping the planets in motion, while we, on Earth, explore its mysteries. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the solar system. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing stories. Until next time, keep looking up.